Hi guys, I'm Nick, and I'm here at our next stop on the Celigo integration tour here in Austin. We're really excited to continue all the learnings that we had back in Irvine here in Austin, with our customers and partners talking about best practices, as well as strategies for driving modern integration teams. And if you couldn't make this one, don't worry. All the best practices and strategies that we're talking with customers in person, we're bringing virtual to you very soon.